Hello friends, so today we'll take zero correlation. So in this, if the change in values of one set doesn't affect the values of the other, then the variable are said to have no correlation or zero correlation. As you can see this diagram, right? There is no particular distribution. You can see this. This is zero correlation. Uh, next uh, if we talk about the zero correlation, if we take the example, you can see this graph, the pattern, as well as we can discuss, we can take the example also in this. The next is causal correlation. In causal correlation, a it is a relationship between two events exists if the occurrence of the first causes the other. The first event is called the cause and the second event is called the effect. A correlation between two variables does not imply cautions. On the other hand, if there is a causal relationship between two variables, they must be correlated. If you want to take, we can example also. A study shows that there is a negative correlation between a student anxiety before the test and the student's score on the test. But we cannot say that the anxiety before a test causes a lower score on the test. There could be other reasons. The student may not have studied well, so the correlation here does not imply cautions. However, consider the positive correlation between the number of hours you studied, you spend studying for a test, and the grade up get on the test. Here there is a question as well. If you spend more time studying in results in higher grade. One of the most common used measure of correlation which is Pearson product moment correlation or Pearson correlation coefficient. It is measured using the formula as you can see on your screen. Rxy is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y under upon under square. इसमें भी n sigma x square minus sigma x का whole square, right, into n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square, right, where r is correlation coefficient, n is number of the pairs of data, sigma xy sum of the product of pairs data, sigma x sum of x data, sigma y sum of y data, sigma x square sum of the squared x data, sigma y square sum of the squared y data, right. So the values of Pearson correlation coefficient vary from -1 to +1, or -1 indicates a strong negative correlation and +1 indicates a strong positive